So this is the place then. Let's enter and see what happened. I've never seen this before. It looks beautiful then. By the way, we should go to CEO Taylor McGuire. Hello Taylor, I want to ask you something about your cable.
Oh, it's pleasure to meet you, subscriber. How's my cable service, mister? Is it good, or is it bad?
This cable service is kinda weird and sketchy, that I want to cancel it.
Sorry, mister, but I don't want to cancel your subscription.
What? What the fuck, you don't want to cancel my subscription?
Oh, sorry, mister, but I don't want to cancel your subscription.
Stop saying it again, you worthless garbage. Your subscription.
Why should I
Hey
cancel
guys,
your
what are you
subscription?
doing?
Because I
Everyone.
wanted to leave my sales in
Smash my
view.
TV and
Wanted my company to get
I'll
bankrupt,
be
so I'm not
right
going to
back,
cancel your
mister.
subscription.
You hear me?
Make fun of me. Because I wanted to switch cable operator in your
So I
garbage.
don't want to cancel your subscription, you dumb.
Shut up.
Get out here now.
You know what? Fine.
What happened to you, Josh? Did you cancel the subscription to the show?
No, he forces me to watch his dumpy crap worthless channels, costs like you're going to. Heaven. I wish this Tater would die to hell, and his lazy employees, including the phone caller.
Jeez, what should we do now, Josh?
Well, how about we destroy this nonsense?
Not that one, it would be more dangerous. What about peace instead?
Fuck. How about we call the cops instead?
That would be great. Wait, what happened to our TV?
Hello, I'm Taylor McGuire, the share of Taylor Cable and Taylor TV. We're sorry for this interruption for you because there's one guy who wanted me to try to cancel my cable subscription.
Taylor McGuire.
If you wanted me to cancel the subscription, I will not going to cancel your subscriptions. Your TV is all mine. All mine. But you said PLS I wanted to switch. But I don't care. Enjoy this services, so thank you.
Shit. But what we gotta do now, honey? Call the cops now. And wait, I hear outside. Oh no. We're going to get out of here. Let's call cops, hurry now. You better get hurry, there's no time waste.
Okay, Josh, let's go.
You think you call the cops? I'm God of this city. I own this place, Wi-Fi, buildings and your life. So I closed down the police services and closed down all police stations. So I could not going to stop by arresting me.
Why? Well, there's no emergency services. We're doomed. Well, thanks to you, Taylor, the king of food McGuire. You made all of this so we could kill you and go to hell for this. But I have an idea to stop this nonsense like this outside. What it would be? Sneaking. We only need to assassinate him tonight. He'll be Tim McGuire.
Why we would sneak and kill him? That would be a bad idea, Josh.
Can you PLS shut up?